Imagine your company network as a small city, streets, gates, neighborhoods, and a few pickpockets trying doors. In 3 minutes I'll give you the map, the core system and network architecture concepts that keep the city safe and running fast. First, systems, hardware, operating system, apps on top. Security lives in the gaps between these layers. I design with least privilege. Every process gets only what it needs. Trust boundaries, user space, kernel space, services separated, secrets stored outside code, containers, virtual machines, like apartments in the same building, isolated units sharing infrastructure, good for density, better with image hardening and minimal base images. Now networks, think lanes and checkpoints. I segment, production, staging dev, guest in different subnets or VLANs. A DMZ holds public-facing services, web API gateways, so if one falls, the blast radius stays small. Firewalls enforce default deny, allowing only known good traffic. IDS, IPS watch patterns, egress rules keep data from walking out the door. Zero trust is the mindset. Never trust, always verify. Every request authenticates, every path is authorized. Device, health, location, and time matter. Software-defined perimeters and micro-segmentation shrink attack surface further. Identity is the new perimeter. I use MFA, strong IAM policies, and role-based access. SSO reduces password fatigue. Short-lived tokens limit damage. For services, I prefer workload identity over long-lived keys. Data in motion and at rest gets encryption. TLS 1.3 for transport, up-to-date ciphers, and HSTS for web. Symmetric keys for speed, asymmetric for exchange and signatures. VPNs or private links protect admin paths. Certificate hygiene prevents surprise outages. Reliability is security's quiet partner. Redundancy across zones. Load balancers. Health checks keep things alive under stress. Backups follow the 3-2-1 rule with tested restores. I plan RTO RPO so I know what good enough recovery looks like. Visibility closes the loop. Centralized logs, metrics, traces feed a SIEM. I baseline normal, alert on weird, and keep retention aligned with legal and forensics needs. Threat modeling ties it all together. I map assets, trust boundaries, entry points, and attacker goals. Using frameworks like Stride or MITRE TNCK, I pick controls that actually matter. Quick recap. 5 rules. 1. Minimize trust and privilege. 2. Segment everything that matters. 3. Make identity strong and short-lived. 4. Encrypt by default. Manage keys, like crown jewels. 5. Log, monitor, and practice recovery.